Okay, so we get prepared for the baby. Time for the most important thing here is, here's the baby's room. I haven't shown much about what we got going on, but we're getting down to the final days. We're counting down the days now. So first thing is get this car seat in here. I think at first I wanted to put in the X5. X5 is just a bigger vehicle, but Lexi brought up a good point. She said, you know, she has to step up into it, and she really doesn't want to do that while, obviously, post-labor. Makes a good point. So something she can slide laterally into, or we're gonna try to take her car. So anyway, I'm gonna put the car seat base in there. It's been a while since I started a car seat. Probably, well, my youngest is 13. Man, a lot has changed. So yeah, so we went with the Nuna Pippa Lite RX. So I had to research, watch a lot of videos and on YouTube, and decided the Nuna was probably the best way to go. For one, it's lightweight seat, had good ratings, ease of install. You know, the features that it comes with, you know, such as the magnetic seat belt. So when you take the seat belt off, you can just set it there and it should hold it on like a magnet. So when you're trying to put your kid in, obviously he's catching the belts and everything. Well, you can just set the belt off to the side and it holds it there. And then on the other side, it should do the same thing. Where's the magnet? So by doing that, you can just have a clean or straight shot to putting your baby in. So little features like that I liked. Obviously, side impact protection was something else. I think the last time he used a car seat, I think Chico was one of the, and Chico's still a good player, but the dry weight on those a little bit heavier. The cost is a little bit higher with the Nunas, but do like the features and everything else. We got the whole travel, but the travel system got the stroller and everything matched. We went with the, I believe what they call this color, it wasn't green or teal, it was something else. I'm about to link it here in the bottom. I forgot what it's called, so I apologize. But the base can, it's got a lot of good features if you're into that thing. If you're people who are researching, looking for car seats, definitely give these Nuna a good shot of this. So let's get this installed. All right, I'm gonna try. No, I don't. I'm trying to read how to install this stuff again. It's not as easy as I'm thinking it's gonna be. I was just playing some of the features with the car seat as far as the seat belt and other things, and I was talking to the viewers of why we went with the Nuna. I said because of the features. You know, the cost is a little higher, but we like the features of it, and lightweight. I think lightweight is probably the best feature you liked.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tighten those straps at some point.
Okay. What do you think, Oliver? Maybe we could just put him inside.
Oh, yeah.
No? You want to get in the car seat?
I'm probably gonna take him for a walk here in a minute.
Okay. Probably had to back your car out of the garage to,
So you can swing the door all the way open?
yeah. Hear that cold start again. All right. Okay, let's get the key here. See if it does this automatic unlock. It's supposed to. Usually when I get close to the car, I should do it. No? How close do I need to be? Definitely didn't work. I wonder because the keys are so close to the car already. But yeah, usually okay. Let's get this thing started here. Love the new car smell. what I like about the new ones is, like on my X5, my M3, the mirror doesn't work unless you turn the car on. This one works, so I can open the garage while the car's off, and obviously shut it. Okay, let's do our cold start here. Close to the X5. I should part the X5 a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna do, see where can I put this car seat? Maybe on the side, center. Oh, look at that. The latch looks like it's easier to reach. Last time I used latch, it was like digging into the cushions and trying to find the actual seat. Looks like they really put it in a good, easy to reach location. Just gonna put it on passenger side and we'll see how this goes. All right. So let's see what we got here. We'll put it here. Put the seat up. Okay. So, let's see. Vehicle belt lock, base installation, lap shoulder belt method. So this is for belt, leave it locked in. Rigid latch method. And I use a stability leg. So it has a leg in here. Lock in. Nice. Nope, just stays there. Can't be. You know what I should have bought? I should have bought a mat for this. That's gonna be something I'm gonna have to buy. So this helps with stability. I'm gonna have to buy a mat to protect the seat. Obviously, temporarily, I'm gonna use this for now. Let's see. I'll just lock this in for now. Okay. Luckily, we got these covers. Oh, they're not even covers. They're just, they don't let it flip up. They just go forward. These things are like really wedged in there. I can't pull them apart. I'm used to the latch where they just pull apart. I guess if you're not using them, they go this way, but I can't put it down. This newbie here, I apologize. But these latch, it looks like it's just slided in there. So maybe we'll catch the, oh, that's it. Let's put the feet down. Is that it? That can't be it. That can't be it. It's too easy. Is there anything more I gotta do for this? All right, let me research this real quick. That looks too easy. I'm used to like getting in here and cinching down and pulling cords and tightening things. If this was that easy, this is amazing car seat here. I'm impressed. Stand by. Let me read your manual. Make sure I'm doing it correctly. Okay, looks like this is it. Car seat is installed. Follows the front seat. Room is limited. Knees are up against the dashboard almost. I'm gonna try the X5 just to get an idea of what I'm looking at. Pop right down in there instead of having to go through your cushions. You know, the impression of the seat. So the X5, of course, this car is not going to oh boy. Yep, this one is going to be a pain. Okay. Okay. It's a lot more secure, but man, this thing is really, I don't like what's done to my seat right here. And that front seat's gonna have to go up. I think I saved the memory for position 2. Oh man, it is. I have to go a little more because it's right there on that screen. Getting here in the front, a little more room still up against the dashboard. I mean, for being an X5, I was expecting to have more leg room up here. Still have room, but just like my feet, I can't. You see, I can't really stretch my feet out. I'm just sitting up here. Well, okay then. Maybe I need to get an X7. Okay, I think I see the difference. The back seat reclines on this car. So I had it in the recline mode, and I don't know if that made a difference or not, but I put it up here. Now, trying to secure this, it's gonna take a little bit more force to lock this in. Now, this play is gone, and this thing is secure. This feels appropriate. Now that it took a little bit of work, but now I feel like I need to tighten down. It feels secure. I think it was just this backrest of having it. Yeah, this feels really good. Actually, it doesn't, make a difference. But we're good now. I love this car seat. Look how, this thing is light. Like just lightweight. There we go. This is secure. I feel comfortable with this, putting my kid in this seat like that. And I guess depending on position, it says position 1 or 2, depending on the weight. Oh, what is this thing? You gotta be kidding me. It's not secure. Yeah, I can pop it back in. You gotta be kidding me. Man. There we go. All right, that's it. Okay, no big deal. Maybe it was something in the PDI or during the shipping or whatever. Check the other side. Yeah, we're good. Starting to rain a little bit. Let me bring the X3 back in here. Everyone, welcome back. Anyway, just wanted to show that I got the car seat installed, and it is installed correctly. I know that in the beginning it looked like it was a little unsure, and I was unsure, but anyway, I did the mat and everything in there. And what happens is you really got to you can't just gently like push it in there and lock. It really has to be shut in there. I think it's something spring loaded that helps get that car seat really locked and secure. But you can see I did do a mat to avoid any impressions or indentations in the seat cushions and the leather, things like that. This will protect the seat for longevity. And as you know, as he grows up, not that I allow eating in the car, but say for example, you know, he has a snack or something, and you know, it's a crumb catcher too. So anyway, a little different now when we do our videos, but thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Just to give you the idea, it is not moving. It is stuck in there.